Well, I guess a good day of hunting. Check it out. All back straps. Got the back straps. Got the back leg that we're gonna break down. We're gonna make our steak. We're gonna make our roast. Back legs. Then we got our front legs. We're gonna break down. We're gonna make grind with it. We're gonna make a bunch of other stuff with it. We got the neck. We're gonna make stew there and rice with the neck. So we're gonna cut it up. We got all the front legs here still. And we got 2 back legs. And we're gonna make our football roast, steaks, all that good stuff. God blessed me this morning, and that's my grocery shopping. I don't go to the grocery store, so that's how we do. I'm blessed. Thank you for the hard work, son. Yeah. Cheers. Yeah. Andy, thank you for all the hard work. No problem. Without them, I'd have still been cleaning deer to now. A lot of deer meat. But that's a wrap for hunting season 2025. Let's go.